Hello, everyone. It's me again. Hi, how are you doing? What's up? What's good? What's poppin', locking, dropping like it's hot? Okay, it's your girl Tara here. Welcome to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back because what? You're part of the who? The Grateful Gang, gang. And if you want to be a part of the Grateful Gang, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn it from red to gray. Let's make it happen, sis. Bro, let's make it happen. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Over here on this channel, we do budgeting as well as following me on my journey to home ownership. This is one of those videos where you see what I see. Go check out a house that I checked out. Before I took a little break, I took a week off, just chilled because my mind was getting frustrated. It just wasn't good, okay? And I knew this because at this particular house, I was going to put an offer in, although there were things that I didn't like. And I was like, oh, no, we need to take a break because now we're basing our offers on frustration. And you don't want to do that because basing an offer off of frustration will give you a lifetime of regret. Okay, you ain't buying no bicycle, y'all. We're not buying a candy bar. We're buying a house out here. So I knew after this house I needed a break. Because I was going to put an offer in and I knew there were things I didn't want. So things that I ended up not liking in this house that are new to me that I realized, oh, because this was after the nice townhome that I realized I loved, but it didn't have a garage. So this one had a garage. And it had pretty much everything I wanted, you would think, right? Except for I realized I really do want like a semi-open concept because I don't like that the kitchen was over there in the galley by myself. Like I be cooking by myself. Like what's up with that? I didn't like that. And I also did not like, what I didn't like really was the outside of the house. And not meaning the outside because the outside was beautiful, had a little porch, everything, y'all. It was that it was off a main road, y'all. It was off a main road and it sloped down. And I was like, I don't think I could do this because when your yard slopes down, sometimes it could be water damage. And then if you look, they changed the front part of the house flooring and didn't continue to the dining or the back room, the kitchen. And I was like, why not? And then I was thinking to myself, self, did they not change that because they got water on the front part of the house? So they changed all of those flooring. So it made me think. And then there also was a crack on the wall at the top of the ceiling. There was like some weird fuzzy things, and I didn't show you all of this, but it was there. And then in the back on the porch, the back door had like some rot towards the bottom. There was just a lot. What is this? There was just a lot going on, y'all. Did y'all see my astronomical bumps? That's something bit me. Okay, anyway. We're not talking about my face. Either way, those are the reasons I did not, but I almost did put an offer in on this house. And I was like, I know I don't like these. So I knew I needed to take a break, you guys. I knew I needed to take a break at that point. And I took a week off and we're starting fresh in June. You guys, that was it. So enjoy the video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you have. So this house that I'm going to see today, it's off of like, it's not a highway, but it to me is a main street, which not something I love. And the yard, I don't know if you can tell, kind of slopes down, but it does seem like the house itself levels off. I hate being on a slopey yard. This lady just pulled up and parked her car right on the people's lawn. I'm like, does she live here or nah? Or is she waiting for a showing? Bro. But this is like traffic coming down this road. And this is at 5. So, not constant flow, but decent enough people coming. I'm interested to see what the inside looks like because there were no pictures online. The grass needs help. Like, I wonder if anybody lives here. We'll see. I'm all in these people's driveway though. I'm like, I hope that's not the owner up there. Versus like not doing it at all.
Yes.
But I did feel a little better. What's this? Coat closet. This is a really big house, actually. I really wish they had finished the floor, but I think they didn't want to continue into the kitchen. Thank you. I wish there was another window here. Okay, I'm gonna stop wishing and just do my video so I can show my sister. This is a really big room. This reminds me of the other room. See, this is me. I'm wondering if I should just do it and just slowly make it mine. I'm just worried about other things. The stuff that's not cosmetic. Like this bathroom with the non-flushing toilet. Why are you not flushing toilet? Why are you not flushing? Alright. It looks like they did make some attempts to put up new fixtures though. I do like those. I don't like this. Why did they do that? These two colors don't even go. I wonder if they can ask, she can ask if they were gonna finish that. Pantry, which needs to clean. I need to make an envelope for cleaning. Jesus. I actually really like these hardwood floors. I wonder why they switched them. Unless out there was carpet. Look at this countertop. Jeez. And this is a lot of countertop to change. This is not a little bit of countertop. Gas stove. I would have to buy a fridge. I would have to buy a washer and dryer. Oh my God, this freaking garage stinky. But there is a garage. Is there something broken on this garage? Oh no, there's just a hole. Okay, love the floor plan though. The floor plan is very nice. Let's stop at the thing. I feel like I'm wondering if I'm trying to talk myself into it. This is the outdoor space. Not much, but there is a deck. What is this listed at again? I wonder what the comps are. That's a little suspect up there. The other side of the house, which I actually really like that it's separated like this. And it seems like a nice quiet area. It's another small room per usual. This is the back of the house, which doesn't look like it gets tons of light. Do you know what facing this house is? It should be good for, I guess, your electric bill. Other bathroom. Oh yeah, it is. Other bedroom, other closet, and this one gets a lot of light. However, to be fair. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments, what did you think of the house? What were your thoughts? Could you have worked at it? Is it your thing? Do you mind not living? Would you live off of a main road? Do you have an issue living off a main road? What do you think about driveways that slope downward towards the house? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, orders be great, so you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you. I'm hoping by this time this video drops, we have hit 500. Have we hit 500? Let me know in the comments if we hit 500 by the time this video drops like it's hot. Okay? All right, guys. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but way forever, forever, ever. All right, y'all. Bye.